Hi everybody, so today we're going to learn about integration by substitution. For this method, we're going to find one term of the question to be u. So how are we going to determine this u? There are a few ways to recognize it, but basically usually we will take the highest power of the equation or the more complex one, or the denominator, or whatever inside the square root. Okay, this is not gonna be necessarily always the true, but it is true most of the time. So we're gonna look at the highest power first. So maybe you can try this question. 3 plus e negative x over 6x minus 2e negative x to the power of 2 dx. So for this question, the higher power will be this term. So we will let u to be 6x minus 2e negative x, where we will get du dx as 6 minus this one, copy, and then multiply with differentiate power and ln base. So this term you actually get 6 plus 2e negative x. To use this method, usually we will compare whether there are any similar terms in the equation. So as you can see, this is the double of this. So we can simplify again to get 3 plus e negative x, and this will be du 3 plus e negative x dx. This and this will be important. As you can recognize, this one and this one is actually here. In other words, you can change it into half du equals to 3 plus e to the power of negative x dx, and then you can put it in here where this term is actually here. In other words, you can see this is u, so 1 over u to the power of 2 times, half du. You can change it into u to the power of negative 2 du, and you can easily integrate this to be half du negative 1 over negative 1 plus c, which is negative 1 over 2u plus c, and then you can substitute this back to the equation. Negative 1 over 2, 1 over 6x minus 2e negative x plus c. And that will be our first question. For the second question, we will do the more complex one. So the example I will use is this one. What we will see here, obviously the ln part will be more complex than the only polynomial x. So take u as the ln 2x. We don't take the power, we just take ln 2x, where if you differentiate this, you will get 1 over 2x multiply with 2. What is 2? It comes from here, where you differentiate 2x and you get 2. So if you simplify this, you will get 1 over x, and this is 1 du equals to 1 over x dx. If you rearrange this question, you will get integral of ln 2x to the power of 4 times with 1 over x dx. If you recognize these to be familiar, then you're halfway there, because this is actually du. So you will have, this is u, so u to the power of 4 times du, which is now u 5 plus c, which is 1 over 5. U is ln 2x, so ln 2x to the power of 5 plus c. That's it. For the next one, we will do the denominator. So let's say we have integral of tangent x dx, and you will ask, where is the denominator? So what is tangent x? Sine x over cos x dx. So the denominator will be cos x, which is u equals to cos x. If you differentiate it, you will get negative sine x. So if you rearrange it, you will get du equals to sine x dx, and we move the negative to another side. Why? Because we're gonna recognize this one to be this one. Did you see? So now you can rewrite it in substitution. This will be 1 over u times du with the negative. Integrate this one, you will get negative ln u plus c, and you substitute negative ln cos x plus c. The end. For the last example for today, we will see where the part of the question have square root. So as I say, you will take whatever inside the square root to be your u. So I'll let u to be x plus 1, where your du over dx will be 1. If you recognize, there's no 1 at the side, so your du is actually dx. What about x? How are you going to make it disappear? From the initial substitution that you're using, you can have x equals to u minus 1. Put it back here, you will have u minus 1 from here, and then bracket, multiply with square root of u. What is dx? Dx is actually du. And then you can continue to simplify this. You can multiply them. So you will have u square root of u minus square root of u du. These and this are actually of the same base, so you can have u power 1 multiplied with u power half minus u power half du. So this one will be u to the power of 3 over 2 minus u to the power of 1 over 2 du. And you can easily integrate this to be u to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus u to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Rearrange this term, you will get 2 over 5 u to the power of 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Don't leave your answer in terms of u because the question actually asks about x. So you resubstitute this into your answer. You will get x plus 1, 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3, x plus 1, 3 over 2 plus c. That will be your answer. Thank you.